In this video, I'm checking out the Valve Index controllers with Beat Saber, and I'm going to let you know how well it works, and this is coming up. Hi and welcome to MRTV. My name is Sebastian Ang. If this is your first time here, if you're just as excited about VR and AR as me, then subscribe now and click on the bell button so you don't miss anything. I know that you are just excited about the Valve Index as me, and of course also about the Valve Index controllers here. Now I'm going to test the Valve Index controllers with popular VR titles, and in this video we're starting with Beat Saber. I've live streamed all of the Monster Cat songs using the Valve Index controllers, and in this video you're going to find out what I thought. So directly, let's jump in.
Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay, guys. I'm calling it early in this live stream. This is the best way to play Beat Saber. This is so good. Wow. Let's do this. This is so cool. No, it's so easy here to get into the flow. Oh, I love it. And I love the songs. This is good. Woohoo! Guys and girls, can be damn excited. You can be so excited about the Valve Index controllers. You're going to love the friggin' shit out of them. Oh, this is fucking amazing. Operation Overkill. Oh my god. Ooh, this is so amazing, guys. And girls, when you're in the flow, really like the new songs a lot. Oh no! No! Hope I can make this level. Oh, what? 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 Guys, I cannot talk. I must concentrate now.
As you could tell, I loved using the Valve Index controllers to play Beat Saber, and honestly speaking, it felt like cheating because it's just so good to play Beat Saber with the Valve Index controllers. It's amazing that you don't have to worry about holding them, that they are simply sticking to your hands and that you can simply concentrate on slashing those boxes that come towards you, and you get into the flow even easier using the Valve Index controllers. As what the tracking is concerned, of course, it is fantastic. We're used to that from the Lighthouse tracking, and overall I can just tell you this is the best way to play Beat Saber. I've played Beat Saber with all controllers that are on the market, with the Oculus Touch of the Rift, with the Vive Wands, and also with the Windows Mixed Reality controllers. And I also played it actually with the Rift S controller and the Oculus Quest Touch controller, which are the same controllers. It also works good, but this is the best way to play Beat Saber. The Valve Index controllers are simply amazing. So now please tell me, what other VR games do you want me to test with the Valve Index controllers? Please do leave your comment in the comment section below so that I know which other VR game I should test with the Valve Index controllers. That's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If yes, give it a thumbs up. And of course, if you have not yet subscribed to MRTV yet, do so now. And I'm looking forward to see you in the next episode.